And roll. Welcome to the new Caveman Show. Today I'm going to unbox the new iPad Pro 2021. So before this, I was actually a little worried that I would not be able to receive the iPad Pro on launch date, which was 21st May. Because I do see some delivery times pushing back all the way to June or July. So I was lucky to get this on launch date itself. So what I ordered here is actually the new M1 iPad Pro 2021, 256 gig, the Wi-Fi model in silver color. Now let's pull off the plastic tab. So people who know me, I tend to try to keep the shrink wrap intact so as to, make the box more attractive for sale. And then the next time I'm going to sell my iPad Pro. So bear with me while I try to get the string wrap off. Just a little bit of background. I'm actually using the 2018 iPad Pro. So I've skipped the 2020 iPad Pro because to me that was only just a minor speed bump and the addition of the LiDAR, which I found it absolutely of no use to me. And this year we have the new M1 chip inside the iPad Pro, and also of course the new mini LED display on the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. So without further ado, let's unbox this new toy. Okay, guess I turned the box the wrong side up. Looking pretty much the same. Let's check out the contents of the box first. We have the 20-watt charger, a USB-C cable. When do you think iPad will stop shipping with charging bricks? I really hope never. Okay, lots of papers within the envelope that nobody ever reads them. So I ever recall Tim Cook saying that Apple products are meant to be designed to be used so intuitively that you shouldn't ever need instruction manuals. And of course, the stickers. Do comment below what do you actually use the stickers for. It feels a little bit denser. Okay. Let's pull off the plastic wrap. As you can see, the glass is pretty reflective. I think you can start seeing my fingerprints already. So I'm wondering if I should paste the matte screen protector over this new mini LED screen. Wow, I'm not sure if you can see the new display. I do think the colors really pop. It does feel more contrasty. It's definitely different from my 2018 display. Now you can see the size is definitely slightly thicker, at half a millimeters thicker. You feel the extra weight as well. Okay, give me a moment. I'm going to grab my old 2018 iPad Pro for comparison. You can see the 2018 is really much. It's not much thinner. It is thinner, and I do feel the slight extra weight and thickness of the new M1 iPad Pro. I mean, it is negligible, but I mean, you do feel that small little difference if you have been hand holding the old 2018 iPad Pro. But then again, I think the trade-off is worth it. Let me switch it to dark mode so that you can see the deeper blacks. What do you think? So anyway, I'm filming the entire unboxing with my iPhone 12 in Dolby Vision. That way, hopefully, you can actually watch this on a HDR monitor and be able to tell the difference of the new display. So, thanks for watching the unboxing and impressions so far. I'll be posting a more in-depth review next. Thank you, stay safe, bye bye.